Good day, everyone. My name is Michaela Ikefwa. We are in grade 4 and we're here to give you some quotes. Children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope to change the future, said by John F. Kennedy.
My name is Leo Chibukamwaya. You're welcome to our Children's Day celebration, where we celebrate all the children all over the world. Children learn what they live. As adults, they recreate the world. Their experience as children by Dorothy Law Knott. Happy Children's Day, everyone! Good day, everyone. My name is Olivia Shembote, and we are the grade 5 people from Winfield Montessori School. We are here to say famous quotes from famous people. Always remember that a dream begins with a dreamer. You always have to have strength, patience, and passion to reach for the stars and change the world.
I'm Oliver Waldo Samudia America. The future is held by those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt.
I am Alebi Oluwasemeso. Education is the difference between helping other people and being able to help them. Ruth M. Nelson.
Happy Children's Day! Bye!
Good day, mommies and daddies. My name is Dr. Lawa. I am from Winfield Montessori School. The best way to make children good is to make them happy. But by Oscar Wilde. Happy Children's Day.